Power washing 443wash.com. We're doing maintenance on the YRL51. It's leaking again. This time it's not the spring. We believe it's the seat. We don't have that part, so we're just going to set up a brand new gun. These guns come with a 1332 stainless steel ball. We immediately upgrade to a ceramic ball. A leaking gun creates a lot of problems for your system. As the leak, the unloader senses that the pressure is lost in the line and closes the bypass, and then it immediately cycles up and builds the pressure back up, so you get a hunting on the engine, which is not good for maintenance. So hopefully we'll get the parts for this gun, and while we shoot a video, we're changing the seat. We have never done that before.